Good morning. I have here an Aciera F1 and this is a full set, and all the parts and the machine itself are in a fantastic condition, and in this video I'm going to show the details. Yeah, there's some fat on it, but it looks like this one is never used or almost never used. Normally you see the lines here. Yeah, it is old. This is looks like it's from storage. Right. So this indirect dividing attachment is a complete set with the 3 discs, numbers. This is the direct dividing with the drawbar. This is 60 divisions. W12 with a protection nut. The milling table. Yeah, difficult to find an Aciera F1 in this condition. This is the milling table, which you can put under an angle. There's the readout. This you need to loosen to rotate. These are the 3 handles. Oops. Here's a small W12 boring head with accessories. A very rare item, and it was expensive in that time when it was still available. This is the inclinable vise. Yeah, so this one comes with the 2 end stops. The 90-degree pin. There's a W12 Collet set, starting at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 collets there. Okay, let's. Oh, now they fall anyway. Yeah, just showing a couple of them. 4mm I have here. Yeah, some fat. Yeah, there's the motor. And the motor comes with this protection. It's not original, it's self-made, but very useful. I don't think Aciera ever made an original cover for the motor. So yeah, here, let's move it like this. Here's the original Aciera F1 lamp. This one I want to show. This part here. So this have an extra degree of freedom, a rotation around this axis here. Which gives possibilities for the milling head to be not rotated only in this direction, but also in this direction. Let's put it down here for a moment.